Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sweet ginger pickle. This delightful condiment is surprisingly easy to prepare and adds a wonderful zing to many dishes. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on fresh, firm ginger. Then, I'll guide you through the initial steps of preparing the ginger for optimal flavor and texture. Get ready to create a delicious and versatile pickle that you'll love. Now, let's get our ginger ready. First, carefully peel the ginger and slice it into very thin pieces, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, blanch these slices in boiling water for just 2 minutes. This helps reduce some of the ginger's strong pungency. After blanching, drain the ginger completely and pat it dry with a clean cloth. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture and flavor in your pickle. With our ginger prepared, it's time to create the sweet and tangy syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, add 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, which provides a lovely brightness. Let the syrup simmer gently for about 5 minutes or until it thickens slightly. This perfectly balanced syrup will infuse our ginger with incredible flavor. Finally, let's bring everything together. Carefully add your blanched and dried ginger slices to the warm, thickened syrup. Stir everything thoroughly, making sure every piece of ginger is beautifully coated. Once combined, transfer your sweet ginger pickle into a clean, airtight jar. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will be ready to enjoy in a few days. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.